Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Charger, and in this video I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your WIPER motor is not working. This video will apply to Dodge Chargers made from 2011 all the way up to 2021. All the fuses and relays will be located in a fuse box just under the front hood. It's right here. To remove the cover you'll have two clips, one on this side, one on this side, so you want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you'll also have a small fuse diagram. The fuse to check would be fuse number 20, and it's a 30 amp fuse located right here, so third from the left side. And the two relays you want to check are relays number 42 and relay number 45. So what you can try doing, you can try replacing with any of the other ones to test and see if it makes any difference. So one fuse and two relays, this one and this one. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you'll find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.